Okay guys, we are at the upper falls now. Ooh.
Wow.
Gonna go down a bit closer to get a better view.
That's amazing.
That's crazy stuff, man. Just gotta be nonchalant. Little rapids leading up to the falls. These guys touching each other's pockets down there. Russell's aura farming. Excuse me. Look at this guy, aura farmer. You would think he knows how to milk a cow. Ooh, ah! That's a good aura farming spot. I mean, she's no Niagara or nothing, but I ain't seen a good waterfall in a minute. Get all the way around the edge. Okay guys, now we got the viewpoint of the falls from the other side. You can actually see them. Pretty cool stuff.